Welcome to GatorPAS, the all-in-one platform built to streamline your manufacturing operations from RFQ to delivery. Start by uploading your client's RFQ, whether it's 20 lines, 200 or more. GatorPAS reads the line items and matches them to your existing products or BOMs instantly. Easily link technical specs, certifications, and testing requirements directly at the product or component level, while automatically checking inventory and stock levels. Project costs are calculated automatically using your own cost libraries, vendor pricing, and internal overheads, with built-in e-procurement tools to compare supplier prices and lead times. Everything stays margin-aware and audit-ready. With one click, generate a complete techno-commercial proposal that is accurate, compliant, and ready to share. Once approved, GatorPAS triggers procurement, production, and quality workflows, including quality checks at each stage of material processing and assembly, and non-conformance tracking, without duplicate work or data gaps. GatorPAS Production Scheduler plans and schedules all processing/manufacturing tasks automatically based on man, machine, and material availability. Track every task, spec, inventory movement, and delivery from one central dashboard. See dependencies, approvals, stock levels, progress, and the all-important actual margins. From RFQ to execution, GatorPAS brings speed, clarity, and control, all in one connected platform in real time. And of course, trusted by manufacturers. Book your demo today.